The pho is practically a Vietnamese institution. It's a popular beef noodle soup that is quick to prepare, enjoyed by all the ages, and served throughout the day. What makes a good bowl of pho? It's its broth. And to produce that complex and aromatic broth is a long process of simmering the beef bones. Tam has just found the best pho in Hoi An, and he's about to show us how easy it is to prepare a bowl of pho.
I'm standing here in front of Pho Lien, and they serve the best pho in Hoi An. Come, let me show you why. So I just made my own pho. That's it. We'll find out how it tastes, but I think it should taste pretty good because, you know, feeling really confident about this one. I do need more lime though.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't been to Hoi An, you should go there. We were in Hoi An doing a little video on boosted boards, and if you haven't seen it, check it out in the link above. What's also funny is also the way we filmed this video. Here are the behind the scenes. Enjoy!
Happy!
Action! Oh, in.
Happy!
Happy! Hey! Enough, need more.
Okay.
Okay.
Happy!
Why not happy?
Happy! Concentrating!
Happy! Happy!
Nói tiếng nhân viên bốc phở.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Đi.
Chili.
Yeah. Happy!
Happy! Okay, like this. On.
Pizza.
Pepper. Okay. Pepper. Okay.
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 Good.
Finish.
Happy!
Happy! Yeah!
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along.
Crazy guy just made his own pho. Happy!
Eat pho now, of course happy. Wow, look at that. Oh, okay, just enough. No, this one. Don't need.
Thank you.